This is how to do chain rule in just a few minutes. Only 34% of people who watch my videos are subscribed, so if you like the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It's free. Chain rule is a technique that applies to derivatives when there are functions inside of other functions. The best way to identify that there is chain rule is to notice when there is some other function inside a function where there would normally just be an x. So the formula is as such for taking the derivative of f of g of x, right? Our function inside of our function, this is going to be f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So when we take the derivative of this, normally we would just take the derivative, right? F of x. So in chain rule, we pretend that g of x is just x. We just leave it alone, take the derivative, plug g of x in, then we go back and multiply by the derivative of g of x, our inside function. Let's look at an example. For our example, we're going to look at the derivative of sine of 2x squared. So we need to apply chain rule in this case because normally the derivative of sine of x would just be cosine of x, right? But we don't just have sine of x, we have sine of 2x squared, right? We have some function inside. So in this case, our f of x is going to be sine x, and g of x is going to be 2x squared. So let's apply our formula. Right? In this case, we have f of g of x. I'm missing a parenthesis. Our f of x is sine x, our g of x is 2x squared. So let's do that. Let's take the derivative and pretend like nothing happened, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside function. What this is going to look like is the derivative of sine of x, we just said that, is cosine of x, but we just plug in our inside function from before. Then we multiply by g prime of x. Well, in this case, g prime of x is just going to be 4x. We can rearrange. We have 4x cosine 2x squared. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below of what topic you would like to see next. This is Dylan signing off. Hope you have a good day and see you in the next one.